Good day. Today we are going to see phases and eclipses. This is lesson 3, chapter 11 from your Pearson Realize book. I am your science teacher, Miss Jihan Simón. The appearance of the moon. When the moon is full, it shines so brightly that it makes the night sky significantly brighter. At these times, when viewed from Earth, the moon is round or almost round. The different shapes of the moon you see are called phases. Phases are caused by the motions of the moon around Earth. Figure 1. This crescent moon appeared over the horizon shortly before sunrise. This is one of the moon phases. The side of the moon that always faces Earth is called the near side. The side of the moon that always faces away from Earth is the far side or dark side. Motions of the moon. The moon, like Earth, rotates and revolves. The moon revolves around Earth and also rotates on its own axis. Half of the moon is always lit by the sun. The amount of the moon's surface that is lit is constant. Because the moon orbits Earth, the part of the lit surface that is visible from Earth changes. The face of the moon you see depends on how much of the sunlight side of the moon faces Earth. These periods of light and darkness occur in predictable patterns during the month. Lunar motion. Figure 2. This diagram shows the rotation and revolution of the moon. Please complete this activity and upload to our Google Classroom with the rest of the handwritten images. Phases of the moon. The moon has many phases. We start with a new moon. We are going to go into a waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter, waning crescent, and the cycle is going to start again in approximately 28 days. Eclipses. When an object in space comes between the sun and a third object, it causes a shadow on the third object, causing an eclipse. There are two types of eclipses, a solar eclipse and a lunar eclipse. This is an image of how a solar eclipse occurs. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes directly between Earth and the sun, blocking the sun's light. The shadow of the moon is then cast on Earth. From Earth, the sun appears covered and is dark, with only the corona showing. A solar eclipse can only happen during a new moon. A lunar eclipse occurs during a full moon when Earth is directly between the moon and the sun. During a lunar eclipse, Earth blocks sunlight from reaching the moon. Lunar eclipses occur only when there is a full moon because the moon is closest to Earth's shadow at that time. During most months, the moon moves near Earth's shadow, but not quite into it. During an eclipse, the very darkest part of the shadow, where the light from the sun is completely blocked, is the umbra. Only people within the umbra experience a total solar eclipse. This image shows complete obscurity during a day with an eclipse. The area of the shadow where the sun is only partially blocked is called the penumbra. During a solar eclipse, people in the penumbra see only a partial eclipse. This is an image for you to locate the umbra and penumbra. And this is how it looks. These are the types of eclipse, of lunar eclipses. Thank you. Please go into our Google Classroom and check what assignments are there for us to complete. Have a great day.